Top 7 Best Small Dashcam 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Garmin Dashcam 67W. The 67W supersedes Garmin's already very good 66W with a few additional connected features that only add to a very enticing package. At about the size of a matchbox, the 67W is one of the smallest dash cams we've had the honor of testing. In fact, it's only usurped by Garmin's own Mini, which is so small it looks like it came out of a Christmas cracker. Crammed inside this tiny package is a top-quality sensor that's capable of capturing crisp 1440 footage and enhancing it in those tricky weather conditions thanks to a HDR, high dynamic range function. In our test, it looked great, and the additional pixels made it possible to punch into footage on the computer to read number plates or spot minor things that could act as important evidence. Easy to set up, simple to use, and accompanied by a very clean smartphone app. The 67W goes one better than its predecessor by adding connected features such as the ability to automatically upload any saved clips to Garmin's cloud when the camera detects a trusted Wi-Fi network. Number 6. Nexbase 522GW. The Nexbase 622GW flagship. One might be one of the most advanced dash cams you can buy, but the 522GW remains the best dash cam all-rounder. Thanks to a crisp 1440 resolution and wide-angle lens, it does the basics very well, but also throws in plenty of additional features. We found the 3-inch touchscreen on the back to be responsive, and there's also the option of using the built-in Alexa functionality. Currently, you can ask Alexa to play music, place calls, and listen to audiobooks through connected devices, though the Dashcam skill, which lets you command it to start recording, stop recording, protect a recording, and send to my phone, needs a bit more polish. This is all a bit of a gimmick, and, to be honest, we didn't use it all that much, so it is lucky that the remainder of the UX is extremely simple. Videos can be quickly and easily shared to a smart device via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, while a clever emergency SOS system will alert the emergency services of your location and other details if you prove unresponsive following an accident. Number 5. Thinkware X10. Capable yet accessible, Thinkware's X10 comes bundled with everything you need to record front and rear. Our test found a lot to like about the X10. Its best attribute is its ease of use. With a large 3.5-inch touchscreen and icon-based interface, it's simple to configure. It can also work standalone, without a partner app. Both cameras offer a 2500-1440 resolution and a wide 156-degree field of view. We found that footage was dependably impressive, with plenty of detail and decent dynamic range, even in dim and dark conditions. You will need to hardwire it for the full set of features, including parking surveillance. In testing, fitting the cabling required care, but wasn't too difficult for a novice. There's no Wi-Fi for cloud backups, while GPS requires an optional accessory, as does radar detection. But if you're looking for a stress-free and reliable dashcam, the X10 does much to impress. Number 4. Vantrue Eon. Neatly designed and relatively compact, the Vantrue Eon is an attractive dashcam that's capable of recording 2.5K video at 30 fps. It can also capture full HD footage at a smoother 60 fps for additional detail while you drive. Results are sharp night and day, with accurate colors and acceptable noise in low light. Our testing revealed that the optional polarizing filter reduces dashboard reflections. The Eon's magnetic mount works well, but the lack of sideways adjustments limits its use if you can't fit it centrally. If you can, you'll find its 160-degree angle captures a wide view of what's ahead. A tiny 1.54-inch screen offers a handy preview when installing, but the smartphone app is more useful to tweak settings. Driver assistance is left to your vehicle, but the Eon still has a solid set of features. That includes GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a remote for wirelessly saving footage. Number 3. Nexar Pro. Aimed at those who spend extended periods behind the wheel, the Nexar Pro is a dual-cam solution that can record video both inside and outside a vehicle. Comprised of 2 separate camera units connected by a cable, we found the setup to be pretty neat, even if it took up a fair bit of screen real estate. The Nexar app is central to the twin-camera experience It's where you can fine-tune settings, generate incident reports, and back-recorded clips up to the cloud. Nexar bundles cloud storage in for free. Other useful tools include break-in alerts if someone tries to tamper with your car, as well as GPS data logging. This dashcam doesn't record it in 4K, but we found its 1080p video to be perfectly serviceable. The external camera fares well even in tricky shooting situations, from heavy rain to bright sunshine. There are cheaper dashcams out there with fewer features to play with. But if the security of your car is crucial to your daily life, the Pro is hard to beat in terms of protection and overall value. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is a tiny dashcam that all but disappears behind your car's rear view mirror, yet boasts full HD video with HDR, voice control that actually works reliably, a decent smartphone app, and a dead simple magnetic mounting system. Installing the Mini 2 is the same as other members of the Garmin Dashcam family. We found the setup process took just a few minutes with the use of Garmin's Drive smartphone app, iOS and Android. The simple but effective mounting system comprises a ball and socket joint for positioning the camera at the perfect angle, while a coin-sized magnet that sticks to your windscreen and holds the dashcam securely in place. We found video quality to be good for the size of the camera. It records in full HD, 30fps with HDR, and produces footage that is sharp enough to pick out key details like registration plates, whatever the ambient light and weather conditions. At 140 degrees, the lens field of view isn't the widest on the market, but still provides a good view of the road ahead. Number 1. Nexbase 622GW. The Nexbase 622GW is a new flagship dashcam, and it's proven itself as the best dashcam you can buy right now. In our tests, it delivered much improved video quality and better stabilization, along with the inclusion of geolocation services for pinpointing stricken vehicles within a 3-meter radius. When we chose to shoot in 4K/30, the resulting footage looked almost cinematic in its presentation, with extremely crisp definition and great detail, even in poor lighting. This makes it much easier to pinpoint registration numbers or pick out hard-to-see elements of an accident. A built-in polarizing filter on the front of the camera can be rotated to reduce glare from windscreens, while digital image stabilization is another first for the dashcam market and helps smooth out those bumps and shakes caused by potholes and poor road surfaces. Like its 522GW sibling, this model can be controlled via your voice with Alexa skills, but it requires the accompanying smartphone app to work, which we didn't rate as the best we've tried. Despite new dual 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi, we found that it still had trouble connecting with phones to transfer images and video clips. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best small dashcam 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.